Hey there, creators and marketers. Choosing the right email marketing tool can make or break your campaigns. Today, we're comparing ConvertKit and Mailchimp in a quick showdown to help you decide which is the best for you. Let's dive in. First up, ConvertKit, now called Kit. It's built for creators like bloggers, course creators, and solopreneurs. Its strength, simplicity, and powerful automation. You get an intuitive interface, flexible tagging for audience segmentation, and over 50 landing page templates. Kit's automation lets you create if this, then that workflows to personalize subscriber journeys. Its free plan supports up to 1,000 subscribers with unlimited emails. Perfect for small lists, but its email templates are basic and advanced analytics are locked behind pricier plans. Now, Mailchimp. This platform's giant, serving businesses of all sizes, especially e-commerce. It boasts a drag and drop email builder, over 100 templates, and robust analytics like click maps. Mailchimp's free plan allows 500 subscribers and 1,000 email monthly, but is packed with features like A/B testing and social media integrations. Downsides? Pricing can climb fast as your list grows, and automations are limited on lower tiers. So, how do they stack up? ConvertKit shines for creators who prioritize automation and ease of use. Its tagging and workflow tools are top notch and personalized campaigns, and you won't pay for duplicate subscribers. Mailchimp, however, is better for businesses needing advanced analytics, e commerce tools, and flashy templates. It's more feature rich, but can feel complex and costly as you scale. If you're a creator or blogger focused on automation and simplicity, go with ConvertKit. For e-commerce or data-driven marketers, Mailchimp's your pick. Consider your needs and budget to decide. That's it. Drop your questions below and happy emailing. Like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.